Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope all of you are doing well and good. And in this video, we have previously cut our rice crop, which we have transplanted about 3 months ago, and now we have cut it, and now we are going to bundle it all up so we can hire a thresher. I will show you what is a thresher called here, and we will hire it, and hopefully our rice will be separated. And we have cut our rice with sickles. It's a hand tool. In one hand we grab the rice crop itself, and with our other hand we cut it through a sickle. It's a tool, I will show you. And but here you can see it also cut my finger because I was in a hurry to cut our rice, and that happened. It was a lot painful because of my nail actually uh, separated from this. Should show you our vegetables. So there I have grown some vegetables over here. These are peas over here, and these are also all weeds here. I don't know what it's called in English, but in our language we call it visa. And there are some, it's called gobi sarson. It's a type of dish we prepare here. I will show you hopefully in my future video. There is a compost over there. It's my first time actually composting something, and it's been about 2 months since it has been started. Hopefully it will be good for our homemade, it will be good for our home garden over here little bit. And there is a metal post right there which is pushed down into the compost, and I remove it and touch it with my hand, and if it feels warm then I uh, think it's good and its temperature is good. I turn it about every 4 to 5 days and also hydrate it after turning. So this is one corn. I just drove its seed down and it germinated. There are some carrots over here. We have planted carrots. These are actually carrots, as you can see over there, and there are a lot of carrots, but it's all covered with weeds also because we sowed our carrots little too early, and the summer season weeds, or I should say spring season weeds, actually germinated. If I sow little late, I think they would not have been germinated. There are some turnips in this plot over here called, I think it's equivalent to kale over western side, but it's also a leafy green vegetable. We harvest its leaves and cook them. It's tasty. And there is a blueberry tree over here. It's a process where we separate our rice grain from these rice straws over here. As you can see, it's there, and it's bundled up with this plastic string, and it's also a very painful process because this plastic string has to be tightened up into this bundle so it does not fall off, so our rice straw does not slip from here. So it has to be very tight, and it causes very painful cuts on our hands. And there are lots of these weeds. I don't know what they are called, but they do create a lot of problem. I am thinking about some herbicide of maybe glyphosate to spray on these so it kills their root system, because every time we kill their root system they resprout. So if we want to eliminate them from our field, we will have to use systemic herbicide, which also should theoretically kill its roots too. So first of all, we will cut this string right here and then so first then we will knot it up tightly. Man, this is a plastic string which is painful for our hands. Then we place our foot thumb here and then suddenly tighten it all up. What I am going to do is we will collect all of those bundles in one place, so after thresher comes we can thresh them and harvest our grain and sell it and purchase all the things required for our next wheat crop. So this is the place I picked up to stack up all those rice bundles, and first of all I have to lay this plastic sheet over this surface so that if any rice settles, hopefully it will be contained in this and does not go wasted.